Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and I do videos about my real life, provide tips and advice, so feel free to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Today, as you can see, I am in a new location. I am visiting my grandparents and it's a nice day outside, so I felt like doing a video out here. Also because their house is kind of old and their home decor is kind of older, so I feel like being outside is probably the best option that I have. I am back for another expenses video. As you know, it is June right now, so time to look back, time to look back at May. So May is typically when graduations start, and Mother's Day is also in May, so it wasn't the best month financially, but it's okay because, you know, that goes to other people or to your mom or your grandma, so totally understandable and reasonable. Looking back at April, I spent about $660 or something like that. For May, I spent about $850. I know. That's a pretty big jump. So right off the bat, I just want to say that I paid for one of the Mother's Day dinners, which ended up being about $200. So if I don't include that, I really spent only like $650, which is more of my normal, right? So I spent over, but I feel okay about it because I spent it on like a Mother's Day dinner, so like no regrets or anything like that. You know, you gotta spend money for the people that you love. So let's look back at, you know, how I got to $850. So I know that Mother's Day dinner cost $200. Eating out, I spent a total of $300. So really, outside of Mother's Day dinner, I spent about $100 on my own eating out, whether it be like with friends or with Kurt, or myself, I guess, you know. And then my second largest expense, of course, is always like gas and toll going to work. And so it is actually on the higher end this time. Usually I expect it to be around $250. In May, I ended up spending about $270 on gas and toll because, one, I'm going to work a lot more since I had an intern start on my team in May, and so I don't work from home as often as I usually would. So, you know, that's, you know, more trips to the office, and I don't expect that to go down anytime soon because I have 2 interns this summer total, and I just want to be in the office more often for them, so I think it will stay higher. Like, I expect it to stay around like $275 per month throughout the rest of the summer. And then phone is about $45. So gifts I spent about $70. So that just added up from like Mother's Day gifts to graduation gifts. I normally make ribbon lays. I buy ribbons from Michael's and just make them myself, like a DIY gift. They don't cost as much as flower lays or orchid lays, which is nice, but they also still cost money. So I had to create 3 lays for 3 people graduating, so that added up as well. Subscriptions are about $30 because that's Netflix, Hulu, and Spotify, but starting in June, I am having my brother cover Spotify, so yeah, I'll save a little bit there. We're sharing some of the responsibility now. So shopping, I spent about $90, but really that's the majority of that, like $85 of that is like only to my TOTE box. And I decided to invest that money in TOTE because I just like some of the clothes that they offer, and it's nice because like I can switch and swap through every month to try different clothes, and I've been really happy with it this month. Like Kurt was like, wow, is that from your box again? Like, it looks really nice on you. So I think that takes away some of the pressure from like buying clothes to buy and keep, because it's just so hard for me to buy clothes as a petite person. Also lazy to find like something that fits me because either it's too long or just too bulky or baggy on me. So, you know, TOTE is like not bad. Like the fit obviously isn't perfect because they don't cater to petites, but like I tuck tops in and they're good, you know, for a month. And I was really happy with the dresses I got this month. If you're interested in seeing what I got this month, feel free to check it out in the cards. I'll put it up there. But I also have a video telling you how you can get your free tote, like a free trial if you want, you're interested in that. I'll also put that in the description box below. Again, if you have not seen my previous expense videos, I do still live at home. We live with my fiance's parents, and so we don't typically do the grocery shopping, and which we're very lucky and fortunate about, because my fiance's parents like do most of the grocery shopping. They shop during the week while we're still at work, so we typically don't have to pay for that too often. So that's why I don't have that in my budget. So that's pretty much it. That kind of brings me, I think that brings me to my $850 pretty much for the month of May. Looking forward to the month of June. I know we're going to a wedding. Actually, we're going to a wedding tomorrow. But so we'll be, you know, spending money on a wedding gift, so I know that'll probably put me over the budget of my monthly expenses, but totally fine because it's totally worth it. Alright, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this where I cover my monthly expenses, just to see what it's like. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.